welcome back to another vlog
with Lisa
and Gab.
So this vlog is another part of our bedroom makeover, and as you can see in the background,
there's nothing.
Something's missing in the background.
Ayan. So we finally decided on a table after weeks of deliberation.
Weeks lang ba? Hindi mo parang umabot ata tayo ng months.
We found the table that will suit our taste and the budget
And the budget
and the space.
And the yung kung paano namin gusto i-design yung room namin. And so, for today's vlog,
We're gonna be assembling an Ikea table. Picture reference. Dapat maging ganito yung itsura niya pag hindi naging ganito na ako.
Ayan, so we're gonna assemble a...
Micke Personal Desk.
Is it Mickey? It's not Mick.
Mike? Ewan ko, Mikey?
Ewan ko. Basta that Ikea
But that, nalala ko nung tinawag namin siya sa store. Meron po kayo ng Mickey, Mikey, Mike, personal desk. lahat naman. Ano man tawag nila doon?
Kung paano man siya sabihin, but that's that table.
Actually, guys, dapat isang buong table yung bibili namin. Meron kasi sa Mickey, Mikey, Mike collection na isang buong long table talaga. Nasakto naman dito.
Nasakto naman.
Na dapat yun yung bibili namin kasi parang na-realize namin na ano ba na-realize namin? Wala, paghiwalayin na lang.
Actually, nagustuhan kasi ni Gab yung butas. Ilalagyan ng cord sa likod. Tapos parang, ayun, so para dalawa.
Dun sa long table, isa lang yung butas, yung pang-cord.
Sige, so, pasok na natin. Pasok lang namin. Okay. So,
Here it is.
here it is, guys. There's sa likod namin.
We're on the floor right now. Okay, so this is it. There's two.
Yes. So, in-order namin to tables na to online. And nakakakaba lang mag-order online. Kasi, syempre magbabayad ka, transfer ka ng money. Tapos, hintayin mo yung delivery. Tapos, hindi ka sure kung ma-deliver. Pero, guys, store is legit. So, we bought these desks sa Corner Furniture Philippines. Is it Corner Furniture Philippines. And thank you. Shout out to Miss Beth for assisting us.
Very accommodating sila.
Yes, guys.
Yung araw-araw niyang pagtawag kasi nga kinakabahan siya.
Everyday ako tumatawag dun sa store just to make sure yung delivery date. And a little background pala. We just bought this 5 days ago. Yeah, 5 days ago. Monday. Today is Saturday. Monday ko to nabili. And but Tuesday, nag-MECQ na. Tapos sabi namin dun kay Miss Beth, if it's possible na ma-deliver siya within the week, given na merong MECQ na ulit. So, sabi niya, kaya naman. Okay. Yeah. So, are you ready? Let's start. Let's unbox it. Okay.
Wow, unboxing video pala muna to bago assembly.
Oh my gosh, guys. Ngayon na namin na-realize unboxing video pala to. Okay. Okay, guys. So, we're gonna unbox
At
this
wala kami.
Micke Personal Desk.
Wala kami scissors.
Wala kami
Mag-unbox
scissors.
tayo.
Wala kami scissors. Meron scissors dun sa desk natin sa labas. Ayan.
Lagay ko.
Okay. Wait lang, take kita.
Wait, okay, go ate. Okay. siya, guys. Very smooth. And matte yung finish niya.
Yeah. So, ito yung pinaka-table eh.
Ayan, ganyan
Yeah.
yan.
This is how big yung personal table is.
Ayan, parang ganyan.
So,
Ayan, pwede na to. Ang galing talaga IKEA. No need to assembly na pala. Natin na parang tray.
Ano na palang parang lap
Ayan.
desk lang.
Online class.
Online class. And this, maganda lang siya, no? In fairness, no?
Well, hindi naman siya bubuhatin. So, okay lang ang part. Mabigat siya.
Yeah. So, what's inside?
What's inside? What's inside? Okay.
Let's go, waitress. Kaya di natin sure yung okay, next one.
Merong-
is yung sides.
Pwede rin siyang maging desk kung gusto nyo. Ayan, no? Desk na din siya. Kung ayaw nyo na mag-assemble, pwede din.
At syempre guys, assemble din namin kasi yun.
Drawer.
So, ito yung kanyang
Isa yun guys sa biggest factor nung naghahanap kami ng desk, drawers. Since nung nakita nyo yung room namin, walang any sort of storage area, maliban sa bed namin.
na may drawers.
May drawers din. Oo. So, isa sa malaking factor na paghahanap namin is may drawer talaga yung desk.
So, small bedroom tip. Hanap ng madaming storage solutions. So, ito yung para sa drawer ng desk. So, mga screws and wrenches niya.
Oo. Hopefully, kompleto siya at hindi tayo magkulang mamaya.
Yeah.
Rollers!
Yan, para sa desk.
We're rolling. Hindi nagro-roll yung table. Yung para to sa drawers, guys.
Pupunta namin sa table. And since dalawa yung tables namin, para pwede namin siyang pagdikitin, tas okay yung itsura niya. We're planning, which is, ito yung okay sa table na to. So as you can see, isang part ng table niya is, anong legs niya ay baka lang, tas isang full wood. Yan, full wood. Tapos sa other side, magkabaliktad sila. So we're planning, since meron kaming dalawa, planning na gagawin namin isa nito, para pag pinagdikit namin sila, yung dalawang open na legs ay magkadikit. Ayun. So, that's what we're gonna do. Friends, we're down to the last 2 steps.
Very easy steps.
Very, very easy steps na lang. We're just gonna install the drawer and this cap.
Ayan. Ayan.
And then the last but not the least.
This one.
Ayan. Put it. we're done assembling, unboxing our Micke Personal Desk.
At kung nakikita nyo doon, ay meron kaming chair. Ay, nagkakamali kayo.
Yeah.
For ano lang tong chair na to, for filling out the table.
For staging purposes.
Chair to nung kapit room namin.
Kapit room. Kasi hindi kapit bahay. Kapit room.
Ayun, kasi hindi pa namin talaga mahanap yung chair of our dreams.
Yeah, wala pang nagzizing na chairs na para din sa kwarto namin.
And that is on our next video. Pag nahanap na namin yung chair na non-existent.
Yeah, so
for some reason, it doesn't exist in the Philippines at the right price. Ayan, so guys, that's it.
ayan, so look forward for the next part of this series as we share to you yung share. Yeah, yung share na mabibili namin at ang aming final
Desk look.
Yeah.
Plain pa siya ngayon. And that's all. Bye!
Bye! Online class.
Online class. Online class.